these 2 days have been amazing so far, and like we are just at the beginning of the second day. And so far, it's incredible experience. We learned so much from the experts right here, and yeah, there's nothing else I can say. I'm just mesmerized since this is my passion.
We're here today to have an experience of the company and the system and how it works, the infrastructure, the way the cars are built, the software engineering part of the car, and absolutely really love the experience. As you can see here, we are having our first experience. For me personally, it's the first time that I've been in a Porsche car. We love it here, and yeah, I can't wait to see more of what Porsche has to offer for us today.
Today we have the opportunity to visit the Porsche campus, and I'm super excited because we got the opportunity to learn a lot about the Porsche company and just how they create luxury cars with a superior brand experience and car experience. And so it's a very unique experience, and we're super excited. And so thank you so much, Code, for the opportunity to be here.
Communication and avoid traffic jams. And
so if I want to put money in something, I want a really innovative idea.
One of the reasons procurement takes so much time is because it's still a very handy process. So basically, imagine.
I will give you actually a 4 point because I liked your presentation style very much.
So as you all know, Porsche is not just a brand; it's a lifestyle. It's a community, and we want to create meaningful connections.